So, hello guys, today we're going to research the country of Belgium, and we have a little bit, we have a plan, our to-do list, and here as you can see we have 18 tasks to do. uh, 18 tasks to do, and now we're going to do it one by one. So first one is country World Bank open data profile. So let's do it. First we're going to open Google, then we search World Bank open data. Yeah, here as you can see, World Bank open data, and there's a website like data.worldbank.org, and we're going to open it. And here, like there's a we can search here anything. Now I'm going to search my country. In my situation, it's Belgium. So let's write Belgium. Now here, as you can see, there's a button that's saying Excel, which we need, and if we push this button, we're going to download the Excel file, which we will do. Here we're downloading it. Here it is. We're going to open it, and here is data. Going to push it. Like here is the data that we downloaded right now, and from this numbers of information we're going to choose some of them which we need in data. I already chose some information from here, and I already done it. So here is mine. Yeah, these are the information that I chose. Sorry, my English. And I think first task is done. Yeah. So we're going to make it some kind of color. So let's make it yellow. Yeah. And it means we already done that. So for now, that's it. So next step, what it is, we're going to check plan, and next step is importing data in Stata. So let's do it. So first we're going to open Stata app. Here it is, and we're going to import our file. Here's import Excel spreadsheet and browse this one. So now we import it, but there are still some commands that we should do. So first one is browse. So here it is. As you can see, the years is not suitable for Stata. Stata cannot read it. So let's make it right. Set it right. Like For this, we're going to command this one, this string, yours. Replace. So let's do it. So now, as you can see, now Stata can read also years. Like now, the Stata know that these are the numbers. Like that's what I think, yeah. And still, we have some commands. So next one is set years. So it gives us time variable from 1995 to 2022. And the next one is ssc install s doc, and we're going to get summary s. Oh, there's a bag or something. I mean backwards. So do it. So here, as we can see, it gives us a summary. So my file doc, we should push this one. So let's do it. And here is what we need. Like why this one and here is what we need. And we're going to copy it and put it to our Word file, which I have already done that. So I'm going to show this. Word and here it is. So our next task is done. So let's make it yellow, yeah. For now, that's it. So the next step, we're gonna see what it is from this plan. So next step is analysis. So let's do it. We can open Stata here, and we're gonna comment here. Two-way. Here, as we can see, there's a graph which explains what I wrote, like a GDP. It's like, yeah, comes from here and here, and kind of stuff. We should copy this, which I have already done that, and move it to our Word file here. Yeah, here it is. All 4 sectors. And next one is two-way scatter. By the way, we can find these commands from our do file too, like here, open, and here is our do file. So now, yeah, we right now did two-way TC line, and next one is scatter ones, like here. Yeah, here it is. So, figures about scatter plot graph for linearity. So the reason why we need this kind of two-way line graph is to identify relationship between GDP and three variable sectors. It seems to me that there is a good relationship between GDP and exports, like, and others. Yeah, here is GDP and service relationship. Also, it means that there is this fitted value. It just shows us whether there is a positive relationship or a negative relationship between these two. And we also copy this picture, this one or whatsoever. Copy this picture from here and put it to a Word. I also already done it. Yeah, all three ones here. And next command, you're gonna see it from the file. Yeah, Graphbox. Yeah. Yeah, here is the Graphbox. The Graphbox draws vertical box plots. In a vertical box plot, the axis is numerical and the x-axis is categorical. To construct a box plot, use a horizontal or vertical number line in a rectangular box. The smallest and largest data value is labeled endpoints of the axis. The first quartile marks one end of the box and the third quartile marks the other end of the box. And also we're gonna copy this from here and put it to a Word, which I have already done that. Yeah, here is. And the next command is histogram here. Yeah, histogram. Histogram give a rough sense of the density of the underlying distribution of the data, and often for density estimation, estimating the probability density function of the underlying variable. The total area of a histogram used for probability density is always normalized to 1. So we're gonna copy it from here and also put it to a Word file. Here it is. And the next one is P norm. Yeah, this one here, I'm going to copy it from here. And by the way, the status P norm function calculates what proportion of a normally distributed population is less than a given value. It is just easy to find P equal Y for more than one value of Y. By default, Y is assumed to be a quantile of the standard normal distribution. Copy from here and also put it to our Word file. Yeah, here, them all. And the next one will be pairwise correlation. So after P norm, we have Shapiro-Wilk test. This one, as Wilk GDP. Here, yeah. The Shapiro test is a statistical test used to check whether the stored data is normally distributed data or not. In the Shapiro test, the null hypothesis states that the population is normally distributed, i.e., if the p-value is greater than 0.05, then the null hypothesis is accepted. So also we're gonna copy it here as a picture. Already done that, and put it to our Word file here. Here it is. And the next step is this one. Here we should open my file doc. And from here we should copy linear regression here. Copy it and copy, or I've already done that. Here already put it to my Word file. And next step, Jerka paranormally test. It's next step. Here, first we should comment this one and one by one. So next step is Dawson. The Watson. Here, as we can see, Durbin Watson statistics 425. So we also copy it like this. Copy this picture and put it to our Word file. Here. Whatever. And the next step, is that WIFI. Here. So WIFI. A WIFI less than 5 indicates a low correlation of that predictor with other predictors. A value between 5 and 10 indicates a moderate correlation, while WIFI values larger than 10 are a sign for high, not tolerable correlation of model predictors. So also we will copy it and put it to our Word file here. I already done that. And next step is After state VIV, have this one, A and OEA. Yeah, as you can see, there's a graph. Also, we're going to copy it from here and put it to our Word file. Yeah, here. So, what is ANOA? ANOVA analyze the variance, or let's say it ANOVA, the statistical method that separates absolute variance data into different components to use for additional tests. A one-way ANOVA is used for 3 or more groups of data to gain information about the relationship between the dependent and independent variables. So let's study this. So next command is this one here, and there's the graph again, and copy it from here and put it to our website. Yeah, here. And the last command will be this. Yeah, Shapiro-Wilk test for normal data. I'm going to copy it as picture and put it to our Word file. Yeah, here. By the way, it was not the last one. There's still some. So next step, this one, we also copy it and put it to our Word file here. And this one, and copy it here. And this is, I think, last one. Yeah. Cook-Weisberg test for something constant variance. Yeah. Variable GTP. I'm going to copy it here. Put it to our website. I mean Word file. Yeah, I think for now that's it. So we're going to open plan list and make it red, right? I mean yellow, right? So that's it for now. So next step, we're gonna see what it is from our plan, like 2 mile. 2 mile. Okay, let's do it. And by the way, I have already taken that, so what I should have is just showing it. Wait a little minute. And here it is, my mail. So it's going to be yellow. And next step, receipts. Okay, for this we'll have to open Google and search our seat here. I have already searched that. open orc.org. This is this website. Here is the sign in or registration, and I already have an account, so I just sign in. And here is my account, and here is my receipt code. Like 12. Once I have already copied that and put it to my email, and here it is. Yeah. So this one also be like this one will be yellow. Yeah. And next up, GL code. Okay. We also open Google and just search your classification here. And this is the site www.aeaweb.org. By the way, this is just explanation for those who don't know. Yeah. So and from here we're going to choose this one, and this is what we need: global outlook, and also this one, economic integration, and this one, international investment, long-term capital movements. So it means we have F01, F15 and F21, and here it is: F01, F15, F21. And our plan here, gel code is done too, so we're going to make it yellow. And next step is APA style. Okay, it means literature review. Like, do we need PPT for this? That we have already done. And here is my literature review. Yeah, I have already done some of them, and I'm gonna show you another one. Just make sure that I'll do it myself. Yeah. So we're going to open Google Chrome, and from here we'll need elicit, and here's this website, elicit.com, and we're going to search, for example, economy of Belgium, and from here we can add some like kind of things, like for example study objectives and theoretical framework. Yeah. And then we're going to copy it and we'll put it to our PPT file. put it like this. We can change it. We can change its size like this. To make it comfortable to see, like easy to see or whatever. Yeah. Then so it's done now, and next thing is references. So how we can take it. For example, here we do this, and here semantics color. Then here's the site, we're going to push it, and APA here is we're going to copy it and then put it to our references like so. This is for now. So next step, we're going to open plan and 9.1 Science Direct and 20 citation. Okay, let's do it. We're going to open Google and we're going to search Science Direct here. I already searched that. So we're going to open it and we're going to search what article we need. For example, agree. Then click on this button. It uses only free ones. So for example, this one. We're going to read a little bit, and we're going to read it a little bit and take some parts of it to our Word file. For example, yeah, only needed ones, like, yeah. And from here we can download it. I have already downloaded 5 these ones, like these ones. Here are they. And we're going to open Mendeley Reference Manager. And here are the 5 ones that we download it right now. I have already added to Mendeley. So for this who don't know, to be done like that. Yeah, here, and choose which you wanna add and click open. Yeah, that's it. And here are 5 ones, and we should give a citation. Example, yeah. I'm going to open my not this one. I'm going to open my Word file here and give a citation. For example, here, to give a citation, we push this one references and here there is a Mendeley site. We need to push it. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Yeah, and here are the 5 ones that we downloaded. For example, this one, we're going to push it, and it should be like this, and insert one citation, and that's it. Yeah, this is giving citation. So that's it for now. And by the way, also this is like Grammarly check. It just checks our mistakes and make it right if you want. For example, this one, yeah. And for example, accept. We're going to push this button, accept, and he will make it right on his own, yeah. He's AI. I mean, not he is. It is. It is AI. So this is Grammarly check. And Science Direct is done. Mendeley citation is done. Grammarly is done also. And here there is a ProQuest. So ProQuest. We also open Google and search ProQuest. Yeah, here it is. This is double. It's 3u.proquest.com. Yeah. And from here we should download dissertations. Yeah. And for example, economy of Belgium. And here are some dissertations, so we should download it from here, which I have already downloaded. So I'm just showing how it's done. And here it is. And we also add it to Mendeley. Yeah, I have already added them. For those who don't know, I'm going to do it again. Yeah, here are the 4 dissertations that I downloaded. Like, push this one and open. Yeah, that's it. And that's it. And we also give a citation. I mean, research words. For example, here again references, Mendeley site. We're gonna wait a little bit, and here insert one citation, and that's it. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, Grammarly check is working. And go to plan. I'm in plan. So ResearchGate not ProQuest is also done. So make it yellow. So the last one is ResearchGate open account and upload or all works there. So open Google account. I mean Google ResearchGate. Yeah, here it is. www.researchgate.net. yeah, open it. Here we can see I have already login to it, so by clicking add new I can upload my old works. For example, add new and article, books, etc. For example, some article, of course, some book, or it's like research. So it is done like this, yeah. So I think that's it for now. And all works are done. Yeah. Thank you for your attention. And that's it for now. Sorry for this one, yeah. So that's it.